Hello, my name is Corey Arnolds, and this is our Week 6 assignment on the Davis Southern Women Club. First, we import the modules in the data, so NetworkX, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib. Here we show a list of the different nodes. It's a bipartite network. This is a list of the different edges. You can see the different nodes are both women and events, and the women or events are connected through each other. We can see there's a total of 18 women in this data set and 14 clubs or events in the data set. Here's a list of the women nodes. Here's a list of the event nodes. Here is where we draw the graph. You can see the size of the nodes is dynamic according to the degree of the node, so how many connections it has, and then the women nodes are red and the event nodes are lime green. Here we look at some centrality measures. So you can see here a few of the higher scoring women are Teresa, Nora, Evelyn Jefferson. And then some of the higher scoring events are actually 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 6, 7, 8, and 9, you can kind of see they're all positioned in a similar place in the network. And then we create a summary DF. It's kind of a many-to-many relationship. So it shows all the women, their centrality, and then the different events they're connected to and that event centrality. And then we project onto just the women nodes. So we use the events to project a women network graph. And that's what this is. So you can see how all the different women are connected through the events that they attended. We take out a few of the more well-connected women and then take a look at the graph again. And then we look at a projection on just the events, so without the women, so what events were commonly attended together. You can see there's really a grouping of events 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Really a grouping of 6, 7, 8, and 9, and then really a grouping of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And so we remove kind of these middle events, and you actually see this grouping, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 11, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This kind of goes to show that, like, these are really the ones that connect these two sets of events. So it's almost like these are two different clubs, and then these events were like a mix of those two different clubs. You can kind of see that. So then I actually remove those events and then take a look at the women graphs after those events are removed, and you can really see again there's two main groups of women that are connected through these different events. And then these are kind of different outliers. Again, this is while with removing events 6, 7, 8, and 9, the events that have the highest fringeness. And so you can kind of see, like, you think it's almost like there is two different separate clubs of women, and then maybe these women are new or haven't joined a club yet. And then the events 6, 7, 8, and 9, we're kind of joining those two different clubs of women. And then look at some of the different clicks in the graph. So you kind of see there's a few main different clicks here. They should look pretty similar to the kind of the ones I've identified above. And then event clicks, it classifies them as 2. I would think there really should be 3, but you kind of see this one 6, 7, 8, 9, and so really 6 through 14. So, and then this is kind of the first ones, or wait, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, so, okay, so we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so some of them are shared. So yeah, you can see events 6, 7, 8, and 9 are shared in both. So this is really showing what I was already saying above, that there's kind of two distinct groups of clubs or events. The first 5 and the last 5, and then the middle 4 are kind of joining those two because those middle 4 are shared in both these clicks. So that's kind of our presentation. Hope you enjoyed it.